I'm planting tomatoes. These guys are Cherokee Purple, heirloom tomato, and they're not cheap when you buy starts. That's what this is called when you go to a big box store and they have them started already. Much cheaper to grow by seed and start them in your own space. $5.50, whatever it is for a tomato. Little tip, there's more than one in this pot, isn't there? I intentionally looked for them to see if there was more than one that was growing, and this does have that. So all you do is you gently pop it out of the bottom, and then what you're going to do is you're going to gently pull apart this root system, and very gently, so you don't break this, and they'll fall away, and then you can plant the two separate plants. You can plant a tomato pretty deep. They will send off roots all the way up the stem. Put it in a hole, dig, I don't know, this is probably about 6 inches down. Backfill, right? Don't want any air pockets. It's like so. And just gently give it a press down, not too hard. Make sure it's in there nicely. Once they grow out, you'll have to stake them, right? Because they get pretty tall. And I'm in North Florida, don't forget, so you can't do this just like way up north, Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania. You're still obviously in the thick of winter. And then I put a little bit of straw on it, helps keep the moisture there. And that's it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, you know.